those things that we got for all of our wedding presents was
A half-drinking bottle of tequila.
not that, whatever. But we're about to make some ice cream.
Reese's peanut butter ice cream with real peanut butter.
And the mixing arm. So we should have ice cream in like 30 minutes, right? We did get this book, Complete Cuisine Art, ice cream making recipe book. So I gather up all of our supplies, which includes some milk, some heavy whipping cream, lots of sugar, peanut butter, vanilla. Okay, so now we turn this on, and to the bowl you go. So now we still have about 16 minutes left. We're kind of halfway through. So here we are with 2 minutes left to go. I added in our mix-ins. Okay, so our ice cream's done. And here's our first taste. Oh, really good. And there's about 2 quarts of ice cream. But not for long. I put some banana in mine, and banana, peanut butter, Reese's Pieces ice cream. Very good.